The universe didn't explode into space. Space itself violently expanded in every direction at once, from a state smaller than an atom. The first light of the universe blazed out, the oldest glow we still see today. Then came the Dark Ages. Total blackout. But gravity built an empire, crushing gas until it ignited, and the first galaxies tore through the darkness. The universe went to war. Dark matter dragged galaxies into collisions. The first quasars woke. Supermassive black holes gorging on cosmic wreckage. By cosmic noon, hyperactive galaxies churned out stars at blistering rates, the absolute peak of cosmic creation. Then, those same engines choked it off, leaving galaxies red and dead. Gravity forced a new order. Galaxies settled into spiral disks. Turbulent gas collapsed into razor-thin, perfect rotation. Heavy metals, iron, oxygen, silicon flooded galactic cores, forged in the graves of dead stars. Conditions stabilized into the universe's first true habitable zones. Massive clusters locked their territory into oceans of X-ray plasma. A cold, regulated cosmic machine was online. Our cosmic backyard went rogue. The Milky Way's bar ignited, slamming gas inward. Andromeda became an apex predator, devouring smaller galaxies. 8 billion years in, the fundamental physics of the cosmos broke. Gravity lost its grip. A repulsive dark energy overpowered gravity, ripping the macrostructure apart into accelerating expansion. A nearby supernova shockwave slammed into a cold cloud of heavy metals in our Milky Way. At its core, crushing gravity spiked until hydrogen fused. The sun ignited. Collided with Earth. Forging our moon from superheated shrapnel. The cosmic bombardment of Earth almost stopped. In total darkness, life ignited. Ancient microbes hijacked volcanic heat to survive. Cyanobacteria cracked water molecules open using sunlight, forging the most powerful chemical weapon Earth has ever seen. Oxygen flooded the seas. Rusting the ocean solid. Then it detonated into the atmosphere and froze the entire planet. The first mass extinction began. But something survives despite the ice, and it began to breathe oxygen. This single adaptation becomes the biological foundation for every complex living thing that has ever existed. 1.8 billion years ago, the Earth's oceans stratified into two worlds. In those stratified seas, cells pioneered sexual reproduction. Separate cells begin cooperating permanently, laying the first foundations of multicellular life. $635 million years ago, the ice shatters. 100 million years later, the Cambrian Explosion detonates. Vast forests crack bedrock, flooding the atmosphere with oxygen. Earth transforms into a hyper-oxygenated world unlike anything before or since. Siberian volcanoes erupted for 1 million years. Survivors emerge. Life stops surviving and starts hunting. Armored predators flood the seas. Dinosaurs dominated for over 160 million years until a 10-kilometer asteroid struck Earth. Mammals inherited the ruins. One lineage sharpened, Homo sapiens. We spread across every continent. Megafauna were hunted. The evolutionary war is almost over. We won. For almost 10,000 years, Earth has gifted us a stable climate. In these 10,000 years, we built advanced civilizations from nothing. In the last 100 years, we split the atom, conquered the moon, and wired the globe into a digital brain. What awaits is total uncertainty. The next chapter of a story that began 13.8 billion years ago. The future of the universe now rests on our shoulders, the modern humans.